Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down, unplug, and ground yourself to avoid static. Once done, remove the case side panel and set screws in a tray so nothing gets lost. Locate the audio jack, identify whether it's soldered on the motherboard or a removable I/O bracket. Take clear photos for alignment and wire routing. Make sure to document connector pinouts and surrounding components. These pictures save minutes and prevent errors when you refit the replacement jack later. You now remove the old jack. If it's a bracket module, unscrew it and carefully unplug the cable from the motherboard header. Note clip orientation. If it's soldered, heat each pin with a soldering iron or hot air rework, use solder wick and flux to clear pads, and lift the jack straight out. Once the component is free, clean pads with isopropyl alcohol and a brush. Make sure to protect nearby traces with Kapton tape and maintain grounding throughout this delicate step. You install the replacement by aligning pins or seating the bracket. Solder each pin with short, clean joints or tighten mounting screws for bracket types. Once secure, reconnect the internal cable to the correct header and reattach the case panel. Boot the PC and make sure drivers are loaded. Test output with headphones and microphone. If audio fails, make sure connections are correct, inspect solder joints for bridges, and check BIOS/OS audio settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.